What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And one of the things that you guys have asked me for was what's going on with Belvedere. Well, I got some good news for you. For those that are looking to get recalled and go back to their home plant, looks like that's going to happen, and sooner rather than later. We're going to talk about all that and more right after this. Guys, before we get into today's video, I got to talk about the giveaway going on the channel right now, as the Ram 3500 is closing out. It will end tomorrow at midnight. If you want to win probably the most reliable diesel truck you'll ever buy, because you'll never have a problem with DEF, you're never going to have a problem with the emission system, this is the one that you want. Oh, and it does pass smog, because we've already verified that. So if you want to win this truck, extra entries are up, an insane amount of extra entries for those first 10 orders, and the regular extra entries that are already up are up till it closes out tomorrow at midnight. If you want to get in on it, very simple to do so. Link in the description down below, tk'sgarage.bigcartel.com. Link in the description down below. So what is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. I am still out here in fabulous Las Vegas. I'm out on the way to go do another Copart video at a sublot. Believe it or not, we haven't done these Copart videos in a long time, and I figured I'll try a couple. Maybe those will live on Auto Intel Daily. I don't know yet. And if I have the time to do them, I'll do them. There isn't a lot in Memphis, and if I'm, spending time at the, Naval Air Station and stuff out there, it's nothing for me to go do that. So maybe we'll see how these do. We'll see how these Copart walkarounds do. If you guys like it and you want me to get back into buying stuff from the auction and doing videos outside of just the news and the leaking, I'll do that. And maybe we'll put it on the other channel and not the main channel for TK's Garage. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Play it by ear. But anyways, getting into the Belvedere situation, I get contacted by like 17 different people this morning. Hey man, I got an email. I got recalled back. I get recalled back on Monday, back to Belvedere, and I'm like, oh hell yeah, that's what's up, man. And some of them are at JNAP. Some people are at they're spread out a bunch of different places. I know my girl Kimberly's up in New York. There's so many people that are looking to get back to Belvedere, and it looks like they are fast tracking that plant now, and with good reason. They are seeing what is happening, and that consumers are actively looking at Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram now as not just for performance and power and giving customers what they want, but consumer choice. They're giving people what they want. And if a brand does that, they will rapidly grow, and they need the plant. They need the plant open to be able to do, to be able to get this thing rolling, right? So if they have this, if they have the plant up and running, if they're already recalling people as of Monday, then that tells me that that plant's going to open quicker than what. And I saw all the stuff, man. I had so many people that used to work at Belvedere that are at different places now that are like, man, when are they going to open this thing, man? I really want to go back to work, but they're telling me not till 2028. If they're recalling people now, to Belvedere, then that tells me it's going to open much sooner. And I told you guys this. I told you, like, I don't want to say it's an I told you so video, but I told you so. I told you that all of that shit that people were saying that, oh, it's going to be 2028, they're not going to open. Bullshit. I told you that they were going to fast track and get that thing open. When I tell you guys, when I get the information that I get in, that like whether it's company moves or things going on, because the sources are so widespread throughout the company, it's not just, I got sources from people on the ground. I appreciate you guys, right? But I also got sources that go above the executives, man. I got sources on the board of directors that tell me, plans, what's going on, when are they going to get this open, when are they going to do this, you know what I'm saying? And that's a good problem to have, I guess. But anyways, The point of today's video is to let you guys know, for you guys that are waiting to get back to Belvedere, the wait is almost over. If they're recalling, and if they recalled you, let me know in the comments. You guys can start putting in the comments if you've been recalled already, if you heard anything different. So that way, other people that are looking to get back to Belvedere can know too, and I don't have to answer 1,000 questions. But Belvedere employees are starting to be recalled, so you guys should be happy. It looks like that plant is coming back online, and they are fast tracking that to get it done. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends. Whoopsie!